How you doing? This is Rodney with Burger Law. I'm here with our friend Jake Coslet. How you doing, Jake?
I'm doing great. How about yourself?
I'm good. So we just resolved Jake's case. Jake had a really interesting case. You want to tell him a little bit about what happened to you?
Yeah, it's pretty much a big headache. I appreciate everything you did. Can't thank you guys enough. You were very professional about everything. Made me feel very at ease. Always were there for me. But basically what happened, I was involved in a hit and run accident. So just, minding my own business. Next thing I know, bam, I got hit. I don't know what happened. I didn't know really what to do. So I reached out to you guys and
yes, sir.
You did an amazing job.
So we actually, I guess they found the person who had hit and ran.
Yes.
The person actually said in their official statement that, of course, they ran. They didn't want to get arrested. So the issue then became we had to file an uninsured claim with Jake's then insurance, who were less than friendly. We had a little bit of back and forth with them. So tell me, because you dealt with them a little bit before we took it over. Tell me how much fun you had.
The insurance?
Yeah.
Oh, my gosh. It was awful. So much anxiety, depression with it because you didn't know what was going on. They avoided my calls. Every time I tried to get a hold of them, I couldn't get through to anyone. And I didn't know what to do. So, you took a lot of that stress off my shoulders. Like I said, I can't thank you guys enough. Once I reached out to you guys, it really made things go a lot smoother.
And we were glad to help. So we also had a less than fun adventure with Jake's insurance company. So we were negotiating with them, and we thought we were at least close to an agreement. And they decided that they didn't want to speak to us for a month or two. We reached out to them via phone, via email, via physical letter, via fax. So we did the next thing that we could think of. The next thing that you have to do which is we filed suit. When we filed suit within, a day or two?
Yeah.
Within a day or two, they came back and they were like, "Oh, we would like to resolve it." And we were actually able to get Jake a couple more $1,000s by filing suit and then making them settle with us, having already filed suit as opposed to what we were negotiating with prior. Their own their own desire to inconvenience us backfired on them and got us a little bit more we could give to Jake.
And that was awesome for you guys stepping up for me like always, taking care of me, and very professional the way you guys did everything. I couldn't refer to anyone else except for your attorney at law, honestly. And shout out to you, Rodney. Always had my back every time I called. You guys were always there, keep me updated. It was great.
I'm glad to hear you had a great experience with us, Jake.
Great experience.
We're glad to help you. You've been, a fantastic client. We were always able to reach you, ask you any questions we had, and hopefully we answered everything you had and got you a result that was, fantastic for you. So you can go home and so you started to work in a supplement store and you give fitness advice, right?
Mm-hmm, absolutely. You name it. I could probably answer the question if you have any.
Well, I've been trying to get gains since
baby.
Since I was in middle school.
Right.
It's still not working out except in the midsection.
Mm-hmm.
What do I need to do?
There's a lot of ways you can go about this. I'm glad you gave me a little background. You're probably a harder gainer. So we have these things called SARMs that are selective androgen receptor modulators. There's androgens in your muscles. They just bind to those. We call them your plateau busters because if you try those out, man, they cut off fat and they put on muscle. The more muscle you put in, the more fat you're burning. Do a good isolate protein for a meal replacement because beats the heck out of eating cheeseburgers and you're just getting protein. So more protein in your diet, higher metabolism, more fat burning, more muscle you're putting on, and you gotta stay consistent with it. In the same way like you guys, I stay with you, talk to you. If you have any questions, you're always free to call, or I'll call out to you and just reach out. That's basically how you build that good rapport. And it's not you're not more of a customer, you're more of a friend. And shout back to you guys. I felt like you guys were more of my friends than just a client. Because every time I felt very comfortable, it wasn't awkward. I had, because it's kind of embarrassing, when you got to call all the time and stuff. And it's nice to know that I had that peace of mind always. If I needed something, I'd get through right away. Other than the insurance, where you got to call day in, day out. You had no idea what was going on. Every time I called, I got an answer. So,
and I'm glad we could help like that. And, we are experts in personal injury. And we are helping allow our clients to be experts in what they're experts in and not have to worry about this process. And that's all we would like to do for anyone who is injured. We would like to help you out and let you continue to do what you are great at. So give us a call, Burger Law, 314-542-2222. Thank you very much.
Thank you.